All right, time for some Indio chevron action. You remember. So our beautiful pieces of art here got treated like this. So here's what we got. So somehow, this is Mystery Science Theater. Somehow, don't know if maybe Wolverine attacked this thing with its adamantium. Some mecha werewolf. Don't know how this happened, but I mean, look at that. That's 1/8 inch. How does that get ripped? And yet the sign is still fine in some places and not in the others. So what we're doing is the bottom 4 cabinets got trashed. So the D, the I, the O, and the little downtown boy. The thing is, the cabinet for downtown is fine. The backer got trashed. So new backer for downtown. The backer for O obviously got trashed. So, but the cabinet's fine, but the letter's trashed. So you got backer for O and the letter O. The backer for I is trashed. The cabinet's trashed, but the letter's fine. So you're doing a new chevron cabinet for I. And then, of course, the backer for D got trashed, but everything else is fine. So you've got 3 backers for letters and 1 backer for there. So 4 backers total. And then you have a new chevron cabinet and a complete fresh letter. That's what you're making. So, and that's what you're Jamaican. So I got you here. So I got the I cabinet for the chevron. I got the tops and bottoms just for the I only. And I got the cabinet parts just for the I only. And then for the O, you're making the letter. I got the backer welded up. And then I have the backers, the 3 1/8 inch backers for IDO, and the one for the bottom downtown cabinet. Good to go. You got yourselves your little mini guys there for the I cabinet, and you've got your 063 white insert for your LEDs, and you got yourself your polycarbs for the one I cabinet, and then you have your face for the letters. So I'm not going to tell you how to build it because you already built it. But I am going to tell you on the LEDs, I did check UL for both the letters, and you used Tetra regular boys and we have Tetra power boys. But in the records that I've written down, I don't have which one goes to which. So maybe you have pictures. I'm imagining you might have used power boys on the letter itself and then used regular for here, if you remember. Also, something to point out is that the polycarbs, if you remember, got installed to the front instead of towards the back. So in order to match that, make sure that you mount the polycarb to the face like you did before there, so that matches on the I cabinet. So anyway, yeah, I'd like to know how that happened. What is that? How do you rip 1/8 inch? That's pretty crazy. But like I said, I did confirm with Johnny. He says we're just doing everything fresh. I figured they could reuse this and straighten that out, but we're not. We're just doing everything, have leashes ready. Same thing with the I cabinet. Go ahead and get it all done, get it set up, have a leash out, ready to go. So, but anyway, so that's pretty much it. You guys already remember everything else, but that's what we're doing on this project. So hit me up if you have any questions. Check